Welcome WPB stars. I'm Chef Sebastian Sando here in Restaurant Louis in Saarlouis in Germany. Beside me there will straight away come my sous chef Guillaume de Portre, and we're going to cook today a dish with like our signature dish, or one of our signature dishes, with scallops, sea urchin, pumpkin and umami beurre blanc. So we're going straight in with the scallops. Some nice hand-dived Norwegian scallops. I'm going to open them. Yes, nice and fresh. We're going to take them out. And wash them for a second. Then the scallops will be grilled over charcoal. So I'm going to put them on some skewers. And glaze them shortly with a glaze or a lac made of pumpkin and tangerine. Then they're going on the charcoal and will be barbecued very shortly, just on one side, so that you get a nice caramelization and lukewarm, still glazy middle. So that will take a couple of seconds. In the meantime, I'm going to go on with the dish. So here are the other components. You see a lot of pumpkin. Here I have a spaghetti pumpkin, it's called. It's just put in the oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. And then it's inside softly cooked. We're going to take out the seeds. And you can directly see why the spaghetti pumpkin is called spaghetti pumpkin, because here you have, if you go in with a pincet, kind of a texture that reminds of spaghetti. So we scrape off a little bit and season it with a little bit of sea salt. Then we do have a cream made out of roasted Hokkaido pumpkin, so it's as well on the barbecue. Cream of roasted Hokkaido pumpkin, and there's a little bit of tangerine and mussel juice. Then some pickled sweet potatoes. The sweet potato is pickled in a ponzu sauce that we make ourselves, with a light soy sauce and a lot of tangerine and different kind of citrus, as well a little bit yuzu and lemon. Then we do here have a pickled butternut pumpkin that is pickled with sushi vinegar and togarashi. Togarashi is a spice mix of Japanese with some chili and tangerine. We do have sea urchin from the Faroe Islands. And then in the meantime, maybe the scallop is already cooked.
Beetje langer. Moet nog een beetje gelakt worden.
Thank you, Guillaume. So a little bit more glaze. Okay. So now they're nicely charred, caramelized. We turn those skewers a little bit and pick them out, or finishing off with a little bit of sea salt. One here. And then, as I already said, the spaghetti pumpkin. Some flowers to give it a little bit more citrusy taste. Swirl a little bit of tangerine. And then on top crunch made with a little bit of puffed rice, sesame, a little bit of chicken skin, and togarashi, the Japanese spice mix. And then last but not least, the sauce. Finish it off. It's a umami beurre blanc, we call it. It's a butter sauce. There's again the togarashi in there, the tangerine in there, a little bit of sea urchin, and some chicken skin, some chicken fat. There you go, enjoy our signature dish, the hand-dived scallops with pumpkin and sea urchin.